Subscribe now.
We often take for granted how much we use our hands, and neglect their proper care. During winter, when the temperatures drop, and the air loses its moisture, our hands can easily dry out and crack. So, it's important to have a good exfoliation regime in place to buff away any dry and dead skin. Without one, dead skin on your hands won't be able to properly soak up any creams or lotions you apply, meaning you end up in a vicious cycle where your skin doesn't get the moisture it needs to repair itself. While there are a ton of exfoliation products at the store, today we will look at the best natural homemade remedies, because not only are they cheap and easy to make, but they're also free from chemicals and other nasties, which can eventually dry your hands out even more. 1. Coconut oil. Truly an amazing substance, coconut oil deserves its place at number 1 on this list for the host of benefits that it can bring for your skin. Not only does it contain high amounts of medium-chain fatty acids, which have excellent moisturizing properties, but it can also soothe any UV damage and has anti-inflammatory properties too. Ingredients: 1/4 cup granulated sugar, 1/2 cup extra virgin coconut oil. Method: mix the sugar and coconut oil together. Don't heat the oil beforehand though, as this will simply cause the sugar to dissolve. And then gently massage into the hands for 30 seconds or so. Rinse off and gently pat dry. The result is wonderfully smooth, fragrant and moisturized hands. 2. Oatmeal. Although you might not think it, oatmeal is another great ingredient for dry, unloved hands. This is due to the fact that it naturally cleanses and exfoliates the skin, while not being overly harsh or rough. It also gently buffs away the dead skin cells. Not only that, but oatmeal is also high in protein, meaning it protects the skin from further moisture loss, helping it to stay moisturized. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons ground oatmeal, 1 teaspoon honey, a little freshly squeezed lemon juice. Method: mix all the ingredients together and add a little water to make a paste. Gently rub the mixture onto your hands, and then leave on for 10 minutes or so to soak in. Rinse off with warm water and pat dry. 3. Sunflower oil. Yep, you guessed it, much like coconut oil, sunflower oil when used in a natural homemade scrub is a great way to soften and nourish overworked and dry skin on the hands. When mixed with sugar, you have an excellent moisturizing yet exfoliating treatment, perfect for balancing the skin in the winter months. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons sunflower oil, 3 tablespoons coarse sugar, 2 tablespoons lemon juice. Method: mix all the ingredients together into a paste. Gently rub into the hands and leave on for 15 minutes. Rinse off with warm water. You can repeat this 1 to 3 times a week for optimum results. 4. Sea salt. This one is another amazing all-purpose exfoliator and moisturizer, and the best bit is you can keep a jar in your kitchen all winter long to slough away dead skin cells and return your hands to their once former glory. Ingredients: 1 cup coarse sea salt, the kind in flakes. A few drops of grapefruit essential oil, optional, but awesome addition. 1/2 cup liquid coconut oil. Method: add the sea salt to the container and pour the coconut oil over the top of it, again ensuring it's not too warm, as this could simply dissolve the salt. Then add in the grapefruit oil and stir all the ingredients together until well combined. Apply a small amount to your hands and gently rub in, rinsing off with warm water after a few minutes. Repeat a couple of times a week for beautifully soft, exfoliated skin. Remember to apply some deep moisturizing cream after using any of these scrubs to really take advantage of your skin at a time when it will soak all that moisture right up. By repeating one or a variety of these scrubs 2 to 3 times a week throughout the winter, you'll ensure that your hands don't end up drying out and becoming sore and cracked, but stay soft, moisturized and calm throughout the holidays.